deliver them and protect them
akhulule nezinto
and
zabo.
deliver even their own possessions.
Last time ndithetha
Last time I said when I spoke,
Nothing.
I said,
ngaba nezimali,
you can be financially
ngaba
stable,
nezindlu,
you can have houses,
ngaba nezinto
you can have things.
ube ungazange wama nangesuku eliyi-1 uzicele
Whereas
kuyesu.
you never stood on one day and asked them from Jesus.
Khona into efuneka uyenzile
There's something you have to do
khona ukuze uzibone uhamba lula
so
kwela
that you
cala.
can find yourself going easy in that side.
Haleluya. Kuba nto yakuvamana
Who says I
ngakho.
can hear you, man of God?
So emabandleni siyakwazi
So
uswela
in churches
ulwazi
sometimes we can lack
loba la
knowledge.
moya siwukhupha
That
kuthi
spirit that we remove in
sinako
us,
ukhupha
we
nasezintweni.
can also remove it in our possessions.
Buyaqaphela
If you notice,
umoya wobugqi bobugqwirha
the spirit of witchcraft
uyakwazi ukonakalisa even imoto yomntu
can even make a person's car to be damaged.
ngoba efuna uba laa mntu makasebenzise
Because
imali
they want that person to
kwinto
use money
engafanele uba
onto
usebenzise imali
something
wena.
that is not supposed to use money in.
Umoya wobugqwirha
The spirit of
uyakwazi
witchcraft
umosha even izitofu
can
kweminye
damage
imizi.
even the stove in other houses.
Sometimes kweminye imizi
In other
kuguge
houses,
isofa
even the
phambi
couches are
kwexesha
torn before
ngoba
time.
laa moya uleqa into yobana
Because that spirit is
makusebenze
rushing
imali
for them to use
kwinto
money
ebingafanele uba kusebenze
into
imali.
something they were not supposed to use money.
So laa moya
So that spirit
uxhaphaza ubomi balaa mntu
is victimizing that
ngenxa
person's
ba
life.
laa mntu kwayena
Because
kuqala
even that person first
akakhange laa moya awunqobe kuye.
did not conquer that spirit in
So
them.
laa moya
So
ukuye
that spirit that is in them
nasezintweni zakhe.
and also in her possessions.
Buzicela ngoku
Ask the
beyiva
person next to you, do you hear this?
kambuzi uyawava nala mazwi.
Ask them, do you hear these words?
Sisombululo sokumuntu
This is
hayi
a solution.
akosisombululo.
Don't say
Hayi
there's no
andiyazi
solution.
mandenze
I don't
kanjani
know
na.
what to
No.
do is available.
Nasi ndikunika sona.
Yeah, it is. I'm giving you.
Ndikunika sona.
Yeah, I'm giving you.
Buya mkholela uba igqwirha
If you
lingakuvala
believe that the witch can block
oba
you
ungawufumani
not
umsebenzi.
to receive a
So
job,
which means uyakholelwa uba
which means you
umthakathi
believe that a witch
angasebenzisa iivi zakho.
can use or work in your CVs.
Uyakholelwa uba
You do
amagqwirha
believe that witches
akakuvala
can
uba
block you
ungasifumani izimali.
not to receive your money.
Akunjalo?
Isn't it so?
And awudingi nokuthi ube ukholwa.
you don't need even to
Uyayazi
believe.
loo nto uba
You know
amagqwirha anakuyenza le nto.
Witches can do this.
Uyayazi.
You do know that.
I think benivele kule xa
I think you
ipheleyo
heard last Sunday
uba laa mkhonzi
that
wethuna 4
brother who
years
said she has 4 years
engasaboni
being blind.
wayeyokhupha imali kwi-ATM.
She went to take out money from the
Bokhupha imali
ATM.
kwi-ATM akayiboni imoto iphi na.
And then she could not see where the car was.
Awungenanga mhlaba.
And no
Ubugqwirha,
sand,
vala amehlo
witchcraft
omntu for
that
4 years.
closed the person's eyes for 4
Nyama
years.
tsu akaboni kwanto.
And blind could not see.
Yayazi.
You know.
Yawazi amagqwirha uba ayakwazi
You
ukwenza
know
izinto
that
ezimbi.
witches can perform or do
But
bad
amandla
things.
kaThixo wona.
But the power of God,
Amandla kaThixo
the power of God
asebenza ngawe.
working in you.
Zinto nocinga uba kumele
What are
kwenzeke
the
ngazo.
things that you think that they can happen through it?
Abanye benu basonge izandla
Some of you are folding your arms.
babukela uba okay
Are
obugqwirha
watching.
benza le
Hey,
nto.
this witchcraft is
Oh,
doing this.
Satan wenza le
Or
life
Satan is
yami.
doing this in my life.
Yes. Uzawuqhubeka eyenza.
Yes, he will continue doing so.
Uzawuqhubeka eyenza.
He will continue doing so
Until wena ufikele kwipoint ethi
until you reach a point of saying,
dini uba lixhoba labathakathi.
I'm tired of being victimized by
Dini uba
witches.
lixhoba
I'm
labathakathi.
tired of being victimized by
Oh,
witches.
cela secaleni kwakho.
Tell the person next to
Ithi
you.
awunokho udinwa kubeka
Say,
yi-1
can't you be tired for
uba
once
lixhoba
to
labathakathi.
be the victim of witches?
Hallelujah. Khona ushayele
Say,
sizana.
anyone clapping hands for Jesus?
It's not about ukhonza,
It's not about serving,
but ukhonza ungenamandla.
but serving without power.